Good morning everyone! Happy Sunday! So today is the 21st of September. So kaming tatlo, si Yami and Ethan will go out guys. So pupunta kami ng Brent Cross. First time ni Ethan doon. So mag-window shopping kami today. So 11 o'clock yung open ng mga shops pag Sunday. So it's already 11:23. So let's go kasi iyak na si Ethan. Ayan. Yan, nakapag-parking na kami. Ayan, nandito na kami sa parking. Madaming parking pa ngayon. So, hopefully, hindi pa masyadong busy sa loob. And, tulog na tulog si Ethan. So, let's go in, guys. So, ito yung mall. Ayan yung mall malapit sa amin. So, ayan. So, papasok kami ngayon sa Fenwick muna para makapasok sa loob. No, we need just enter through Fenwick. Ganda ng weather, sunny ba at malamig. So, nandito kami sa Mango. Ayan, ang cute ng bag nila. Ang cute nito, oh. Mango bag. So, ayan, dito kami sa Fenwick. Maraming shops dito. Like Mango, All Saints, a lot. Pero walang sale sa Mango. Mahal naman ng shirt na. Ito, gusto ko ito. Ang cute ng ito. Pero mayroon akong ganitong kulay na binili sa Uniqlo.
Please mind the door. Doors closing.
Yan, kami sa baba.
Going down.
Ganda ng mga damit sa M&S
there's
today.
a camera.
Ngayon pala. Grabe.
Mommy, it looks like that place that we have been to. Excuse me.
Nice one, guys. Brand Cross M&S. So, mini store here in Brent Cross, guys. Favorite shop ni Sia. Sia, where are you? Bo.
I wasn't.
What are you thinking
Oh my god, that
to get for Sarah? Maybe some small stuffs like this. Oh, this one, oh. Ay, that's nice. Hello Kitty. Oh, it's a nice. It's a nice pencil case.
She would like doing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
My Melody.
She done one of these before.
Okay.
I want
You want one? Let's get one for yourself. Big pencils here. In the Philippines, we usually have this kind of pencil. It's nice, no? Hey guys, babayad na. Hi. This one, please. Yes. So we are in H&M. Let's go to baby's clothes, like Ethan's clothes. Hawakan mo sa atin. I want this one for him. I think we need to get something for Ading. Ethan. So we are inside Zara. Lalaki ng mga damit nila, guys. Ang haba. Puro neutral colors. Oh, even Zara, they changed the layout. Except for girls. Actually, hindi ko alam kung pang babae ito, pang lalaki. So, we're going to McDo now. Ayan. Naka-window shopping na kami sa Zara. And walang sale. So, mag-order lang si ate ng kanyang food. And sa milk teahan. Rosia, kaya mo yan? Push it. So, uwi na kami guys. Punta na kami ng sakyan muna pala. Kakain. And then, baka uwi na din. Wala naman na kaming gagawin dito. masyado. Wait for the picture. May pumunta pa saan tayo sa bilihan ng sa Waterstone. Ayan, nandito na kami sa loob. So, ang hirap kong pinasok yung bagi ni Ethan kasi sobrang sikip dito. So, kailangan kong forward sa sakyan para may pasok ko yung sa likod. Kakain na ako saglit, uwi na kami. So, ang binili ko is salad. Gutom na ako, guys. Anong oras na? 1 o'clock. And nag-coffee lang ako kanina sa bahay. Tapos, ayun lang, kinain ko. Ininom ko coffee, isang kopya. So, itong salad ko na to is 136 calorie. Anyway, uwi na kami guys kasi walang spoon and fork na binigay sa salad ko. So, let's go home! So, ayun guys, nasa bahay na kami finally. So, ayan, masaya na si Ethan nasa bed and si ate kumakain. So, guys, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos. Bye! See you again on my next one.